Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Winnipeg Beach, a historic lakeside town on the southwestern shore of Lake Winnipeg in Manitoba. This small community sits about 80 kilometers north of Winnipeg and has been a favorite getaway spot for more than a century. The story of Winnipeg Beach begins at the turn of the 20th century when the Canadian Pacific Railway purchased undeveloped shoreline to create a resort town. In 1900, development began with the goal of bringing city dwellers out for relaxation, fun, and recreation. By the early 1900s, Winnipeg Beach had become one of the most popular summer destinations in Western Canada. A 3-kilometer stretch of sandy beach was paired with piers, parks, picnic areas, and grand hotels along the main street. Visitors arrived by train in huge numbers, and special moonlight special trains brought holidaymakers back to Winnipeg late at night every Saturday during the summer for more than 50 years. The boardwalk was a hub of activity. People could stroll along the water, enjoy carnival games, or visit the amusement park, which included a large wooden roller coaster and other rides. The pavilion, with its expansive dance floor, was one of the largest in the West and hosted top bands of the day. After the Second World War, as cars became more common and holiday habits changed, the heyday of the resort began to fade. By the mid-1950s, crowds were smaller, and in 1964 the amusement park closed. The grand hotels, dance hall, and roller coaster were eventually dismantled or lost, leaving only a few reminders of the old resort era. One surviving landmark is the steel water tower built in 1928. It once supplied water for steam locomotives and fire protection, and while it no longer operates, it remains a visible piece of the town's railway and resort history. Following the decline of the resort, efforts were made to revitalize Winnipeg Beach. The provincial park along the shoreline was improved with picnic areas, access to the beach, and other facilities for visitors. Over time, the town became a mix of year-round residents, seasonal cottagers, and tourists seeking sun and lake activities. Today, Winnipeg Beach still draws thousands each summer. Its broad, sandy beach is perfect for swimming, sunbathing, windsurfing, and sailing. The boardwalk has been rejuvenated with shops, restaurants, and seasonal attractions that keep a bit of the old carnival spirit alive. Events like Boardwalk Days bring music, food, games, and fireworks, continuing a tradition that stretches back more than 100 years. While much has changed since the era of trains and grand hotels, Winnipeg Beach remains a place where people come to enjoy the lake, the sand, and the relaxed pace of life that only a lakeside town can offer. Thanks for watching!